moving to Naperville, Illinois, and you're wondering how severe are the storms during tornado season? Well, today I got you covered because I'm making a video on severe weather as well as during tornado season, how to prepare. I'm Amy Pearson. I'm a local realtor. I serve Naperville, Western Suburbs, as well as downtown Chicago. I make weekly videos about this one on real estate information, community info, and anything you need to know about living in the Western Suburbs area. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. If you know anyone looking to buy or sell in the Naperville area, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help them out. I've been getting texts and calls from people like you, and I love helping them out. All right, let's get started. So I made this video because I grew up in Naperville and I was familiar with what to do during severe storm season. So I made this just to give people information about how to prepare during severe storms and what information you need to know about. This was not intended to scare anyone at all. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to tell you when most tornadoes happen, what months in the state of Illinois. So stick around to the end. All right, so yes, we do get severe weather in Naperville. We do get tornadoes. It's not like the movie Twister, though. It's not constant tornadoes like that movie. But you do need to be prepared for severe weather and have a plan. There actually was a tornado recently in 2021, last year, that hit Naperville in the Woodridge area. It was a significant twister, and it was the first to hit all of DuPage County in 45 years. So it is a relief to know that the tornadoes don't happen that often. Once in 45 years is not a super frequent occurrence that it happens, but you do need to be prepared and have a plan. So more about tornadoes. Oh, tornadoes in Chicago. There is a myth going around that people think that tornadoes don't happen in Chicago because of the buildings, people will say, but it's actually not true because last year in Rogers Park, there actually was a tornado. For the most part, Chicago usually just gets straight line winds during severe storms. I have heard the tornado sirens me 2 years in all of my 20 years living in Chicago. So it's very rare for there to be a tornado in the city of Chicago. But in the suburbs, it does happen. We do get tornadoes, we do get severe weather. So things you need to know about living in Naperville. The first Tuesday of the month, every month during tornado season, at 10 a.m., the sirens go off. So if you hear the sirens go off at 10 a.m. on a sunny day, don't worry, they're just testing the sirens. If there is a tornado watch, it just means that the conditions are right in the area for there to be a tornado or funnel cloud. It's recommended to stay close to home or to a place that you can seek shelter immediately. If there is a tornado warning, it means that a funnel cloud or tornado has been spotted and you need to seek shelter immediately. You need to go to the lowest level in your home. If you have a basement, go to the center of the basement under the stairs. If you don't have a basement, go to a center room or a bathroom. I would recommend bringing your cell phone and your chargers as well as your shoes just to be safe. All right, many times severe storms can be very loud and it's hard to hear the sirens going off. So you need to make sure you're checking your cell phone to see if there's any new tornado watch or tornado warnings that are happening in your area. So just check your weather apps on your phone. Another way you can be notified about severe weather would be on your TV. Many times the TV will go to a blue screen and you'll get an alert that there is a tornado warning in your area and you just seek shelter immediately. So that's another way you can be notified about the weather. So this was routine to me growing up in Naperville, knowing about tornado warnings and all that. So what to expect growing up as a kid, I would say probably 2 to 3 times a summer we would have to go into the basement to seek shelter. Personally, I've never experienced a tornado, but I knew the drill of going into the basement and just being precautions and being prepared. And I didn't make this video to scare anyone, just so you're prepared and know what to expect and know the difference between a watch and a warning. It's very important to know the difference. So I did promise I was going to tell you what are the most high months for tornadoes in the state of Illinois. And it actually is April 1st through June 30th is when it's the highest frequency for tornadoes in the state of Illinois. So I hope that information was helpful. So you know more about how to be prepared for tornado season in the suburbs. I'm Amy Pearson, local realtor. If you know anyone looking to move to the area, I hope I could help them out. I've got another great video coming up. I think you're gonna like it.